Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel, T Elegant Natural Beauty and Fabulosity channel. If you're new, you're welcome. If you're old, you are also welcome. Alright guys, please check below, just bend your head down down and look at the subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button, click on the like button, click on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified anytime I upload a new video. And please do not forget to comment, share your thoughts, and I believe a lot of people will also love to learn from you. I'm going to be sharing with you guys a drink that will melt and burn all the stubborn fat in your tummy. I give you that flat and perfect tummy that you have been longing for, so that you are going to rock all your dresses with confidence and joy. If you want to know how to prepare this special drink on how to burn belly fat, please continue watching this video. On this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make water infusion recipe to help you get flatter tummy, which is going to comprise of 4 powerful ingredients like cucumber, ginger, mint, and lemon. I'm gonna be doing it just the way my grandmom taught me how to. So you don't want to miss this video. Please watch this video to the end. Belly fat is not just a problem because it looks bad. In fact, having lots of fat in your abdominal area is strongly linked to various diseases. For this reason, losing belly fat has massive benefits to your health, causes of belly fat, and also see how you can avoid these things. Your tummy increase might be as a result of eating the wrong fats. High intake of too many processed food is wrong. It can also occur as a result of ill health if your testosterone levels are high. Alcohol can be seriously harmful if you drink too much of it. Stress can make you gain belly fat by triggering the adrenal glands to produce cholesterol, which is also known as stress hormone. You might be exercising, but not doing it correctly will not give you any result. Lastly, avoid too much intake of sugary food. Okay guys, so first of all, we are going to start by grating the cucumber. You can either use a blender or you use a grater or whatever thing you will use in extracting the juice out of the cucumber. So on this video, I'm going to be using a grater. Cucumbers are low in calories. Along with that, it makes an ideal inclusion to a weight loss drink, and it is going to work hard to give you the sensation of hydrated shrimp. And next I have with me mint leaf, which is one of my favorites. There is something unique about refreshing mint leaf. It calms the muscles that permit gas to pass, which decreases bloating, relax the muscles of the stomach, and assists in treating symptoms of IBS. Wow, what an amazing leaf we have here, and I'm so loving it. So guys, I'm gonna be chopping this leaf into tiny pieces before going to blend. And what do we have next? Ginger. Are you excited as I am? Oh my god, this drink is going to be the bomb. Researchers found out that ginger has nearly no calories, however, contains numerous other anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds beneficial to health. Okay guys, I'm gonna be washing the ginger right now. Wash it very well. So I'm gonna go ahead and grate it. gonna be adding little amount of water to this so that I can effectively get the juice out of the ginger, and also give it a nice stir, as this will help bring out the juice of the ginger. So guys, I'm gonna be squeezing my lemon inside my glass cup. Adding lemon into this drink has a very big role to play as well, because it will make sure that some of the harmful toxic compounds in your body are flushed out, stimulates rapid bursts of energy, and actually flushes out some of the internal waste. So I'm sure you guys are not surprised that lemon is part of this water receipt. Lemon is famous in melting down belly fat like wax. My ultimate fat burner drink will be incomplete without the use of lemon. So I had to add water, give it a nice stir before proceeding to filter it. I'm sure you all know the importance of water. The importance of water cannot be overemphasized. It is among the 3 basic needs of life for survival. So guys, go try this and let me know on the comment section how it worked for you. Guys, so here is my drink. This is a very good fat burner drink. Till you're gonna be doing that, try 2 to 3 times every week till you get desired result. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope the video was helpful. Please, if this video was helpful, consider subscribing, click on the like button, and see you on my next video. Stay beautiful. Bye.